Allah is unique, singular. What does Allah say? We created everything in pairs. Why did we create them in pairs? Animals are pairs, humans are pairs, animal species are pairs, human species are pairs. The skies have the earth as their counterpart, night has day as its counterpart, the moon has the sun as its counterpart, and one planet has another planet as its counterpart. He created everything in pairs. Even in this electric socket, there are two parts. That is, if it weren't for both sides, the plug wouldn't work. In everything, there is the notion of duality, because Allah says, I created everything in mutual dependence. I created them in pairs. Why did I create them in pairs? Perhaps for you to think and understand, the one who created so many pairs is undoubtedly singular, to make you understand the uniqueness of Allah. Allah is unique, singular. In everything there is need, there is dependency. But Allah has no need. A person may say, I haven't married, I don't have children, I don't have this or that, but still they will always need something from someone. They will seek help from someone, depend on someone for something. Singularity belongs solely to Allah. Indeed, Allah has no need for anything that has been created. Such a being is unique. Why? Because He is without need. Everything else has need of something. Therefore, that which is singular cannot be. Allah is unique, singular, without equal. You can say one word, not even a fifth or a sixth of a line, yet you could speak about it for hours. Look at the word ferdun, singular, la mislele, without equal. But we keep talking and talking to explain it. There is much more to be said in annotations, in footnotes, but we neither have the time nor the knowledge to explain everything.